Hello guys, this is Alex with Technic Network here, and today is March the 3rd, and lucky what we have to show you guys, we have a Nintendo Switch, so stay tuned and we will get right with it. Okay, so no more waiting, let's get into the packaging. The Nintendo Switch box is actually very much rather small. As you can see, it lists everything that you need. Okay. Open it. Okay, and as you can see, there's a few steps. Plug it in, set it up. That gives you everything. Now let's get into the beauty itself. Inside of the Switch box. Let's start with the tablet itself. And here we go. And here you guys go. First look at the Nintendo Switch. There's the back side. And there you go. Next we'll get the Joy-Cons. Here's the right Joy-Con, which I can say actually feels rather good in the hand. The buttons don't feel too small, and it fits perfectly in my hand. Now on to the left Joy-Con. Yeah, sorry about you not being able to see everything, guys. I'm shooting on an iPhone 7 currently, and it's kind of hard without a tripod just yet. Okay, and here is the left Joy-Con. Pretty much the same feeling, and it feels pretty good. Maybe just the buttons feel a little weird. Okay. Now let's get some magic going. Now let's slide the Joy-Cons in. And as you guys can see, here's the tablet itself. With the Joy-Cons attached, it actually feels really nice in the hand. Okay, so now we have that. Let's put the system aside. And let's see what else we have in the box. Sorry, Switch box, even though you're perfectly crafted and beautiful, well, we will not be needing you at this point, as the Switch is not going back in this box. Okay, so right here, we have the Joy-Con grip. Which I can say feels really good. Now let's try removing the Joy-Cons. The Joy-Cons actually remove very easily. Now let's slide them into the grip. Truly guys, everything that you see here, the Switch is very much smaller and compact than what you first think it is. And here is the Joy-Con grip with the Joy-Cons in. It actually feels really good. And there's your right Joy-Con with your IR motion camera, your home button, and your Amiibo reader. And for the future streaming button, as you guys know, this one does not have any form of charging. You're going to have to buy that independently. And there's your buttons to release the Joy-Cons. It's very fluid and very, very easy to open. Now, let's get on to the next. And here we have the Joy-Con straps, which we are going to try. This one is for the right, so I'll release the right Joy-Con. Okay, and there you go. It feels very, very good in the hand. As you can see, there we go right there. Let's move on. And here's the left hand. Truly guys, you won't necessarily understand on how these feel until you actually have them in your hands. As the Joy-Cons, I was worried about being a little too small, like many of the other YouTubers. But now that I actually have it in my hand, I think rather differently. And there's the left Joy-Con, which they do feel really good. Then if you were to hold it sideways like this, it gives you a pretty good experience. Okay, now let's move along. Next item we have here is the HDMI cable and the Nintendo AC adapter with USB Type-C. Then we have some important paperwork from Nintendo. Back in the box you go, because whoever reads these anymore, unless you have a very valid reason. And here we have the heart of the Nintendo Switch. We have the dock. And there you have it. There's the Nintendo Switch dock, which actually looks really, really good. I love how they have the different tones. Okay, now let's release the Joy-Cons and actually put it on the system in the dock. And let's see how it actually is. And as you hear, it gives you a very, very satisfying click whenever they are released. And whenever your Joy-Cons are attached to the console. And as you've probably seen from other videos, when you attach these to the console, well, they do give you that. Let's go look at the console itself. You see there's the power and volume rocker. There's your port. There's your 3.5mm headphone jack. And there's your game card slot. Your USB Type-C port. And right behind the kickstand is your micro SD card. Okay. And so let's put this back into this. Let's put this into the Switch dock. And there we go. There is the Nintendo Switch. I hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing video. I will be back within a week whenever I have a full review of the game console, and I will let you guys know what I think about it and if you should buy it. Until then, enjoy having Switchmas now. Have a great rest of your night, guys.